Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Wix portfolio. First, navigate to the Wix website and select Create Your Portfolio. You'll then choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates, ensuring your site looks polished. Remember to pick a template that best suits your creative field, whether it's photography, design, or writing. This initial step is crucial for establishing your online presence and making a strong first impression. Once your template is chosen, it's time to customize. Wix offers intuitive drag-and-drop tools, allowing you to personalize every aspect. Change fonts, colors, and layouts to match your brand identity. Don't forget to add an engaging About Me page, sharing your unique journey and skills. A clear contact form is also essential, making it simple for visitors to connect with you for opportunities. Now, let's focus on showcasing your work. Each project should have its own dedicated page, featuring high-resolution images and compelling descriptions. Explain your role, the challenges you overcame, and the results achieved. Utilize Wix's gallery options to display up to 50 images per project, or use a slideshow for a dynamic presentation. Always optimize your images to ensure your portfolio loads quickly and smoothly for all visitors. Before going live, thoroughly review your entire portfolio for any typos or broken links. Once you are confident, hit the Publish button. Consider connecting a custom domain name, which adds a professional touch and makes your site easier to remember. Finally, promote your new portfolio across all your social media channels and professional networks. This will help drive traffic and attract potential clients to your impressive online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.